In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Facebook as payment method. Before we start, make sure you have an active PayPal account and that you're signed into Facebook on the app or a browser. It also helps to update your Facebook app so the menus look current and everything loads correctly. Begin by logging into your Facebook account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This opens up your account menu where you'll find the controls you need. From there, select Settings and Privacy and then tap Settings. This is where Facebook keeps most of your account and payment controls. Next, open the Meta Account Center. This is Facebook's central hub for managing things like profiles, account settings, and payments across Facebook and Instagram. Inside the Account Center, look for Meta Pay. Depending on your region or language, you might see it listed as Meta Pay. It's the same place. Go ahead and open it. Within Meta Pay, tap Manage. This is the area where you can view, edit, and add payment options connected to your account. Now select Add Payment Method. A list of available payment types will appear. Choose PayPal. At this point, Facebook may redirect you to a secure PayPal screen to confirm the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts. If you're asked to sign in to PayPal, do that securely and authorize the link so Facebook can use PayPal as a payment method. This doesn't share your PayPal password with Facebook. It simply allows payments to be processed through PayPal when you make purchases or manage transactions within Facebook experiences. Once authorization is complete, you'll be returned to MetaPay and you should see PayPal listed among your payment methods. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or close and reopen MetaPay. From here, you're all set. The next time you need to pay for something within Facebook experiences that support MetaPay, you can select PayPal at checkout. If PayPal doesn't appear as an option, double check that your Facebook app is up to date, confirm you're in a supported region, and ensure your PayPal account is in good standing. Also, make sure you're doing this from your personal account settings. Business or ads related billing lives in a different area and isn't covered here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.